HVAC people!
All right. So I got a no heat call right here. I think the only thing running is the inducer fan motor right now. We may have defaulted to the blower motor. Sound like the blower motor is on. But anyway, I diagnosed this unit. This thing still ain't charged up. I diagnosed this unit yesterday, and I found a faulty control board. It's not allowing my gas valve to open up. Good camera angle. This gas valve is not opening up. Look, I got left it disconnected also, but I'm not getting 24 volts right here. So I'm gonna reset it. The thermostat is calling for heat. I'm gonna reset it and see if I can show you why I condemned the board. This red and blue wire right here is these two, red and blue. I'm not getting 24 here or there. May have a little delay on it, so we'll have to kind of let it cycle, so I can kind of show you what's going on with it. But you'll see the igniter light up, where you'll see the fan comes on. Fan comes on first. We're just going to close this pressure switch. As you see, it's closed. Checking continuity. You can see the igniter light up, but I'm never getting 24 volts right here. So I got 7.7. Looks like it already stopped, but it's gonna try to light up again. And I'm gonna show you we're not getting 24 volts. Going to this gas valve. Like I say, so I can either check it right here or these two probes right here. I still should get 24 volts coming out of here. All right, so it's about to reset. Oh shit, it came off. I gotta give me a little magnet or something for this switch. For these switches. All right, bear with me, battery went dead on my light. All right. So as you can see now, this switch right here is going to be open. So I'm just checking continuity on this pressure switch. You see it's closed. I got an OL. I think I got about two or three more safeties on here. Got one on this blower, but no, that's not the problem. And all these pressure switches here are closed. Well, not pressure switches, but rollouts. All those are closed. And I think if these was open, the igniter wouldn't even start, or the fan. All right, so like I say, this right here is closed. See, that's closed. There go my igniter, and that gas valve is supposed to be opening right now. see I'm never getting 24 volts. See that? When that igniter lights up, that gas valve supposed to open up and it'll fire up. But like I say, I'm never getting 24 volts out this harness right here. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and change it out. It's getting cold out there. Feel good up in this attic, but see what the temperature is out there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It's downstairs. Hey Google, what's the temperature? Anyway, it's about 50 degrees out there, so it's getting kind of cold. All right. Let me go grab my other light. All right, so this ain't rocket science, so I'm just gonna take all these wires out one by one. We're not trying to prove no point or anything, to show that we can remember all these wires go, or read a schematic and find out where they go. You're gonna do this thing one by one. So hopefully it all pays the same. Somebody wanted to rip them all off and rewire them. I'll take it out one by one. I think the new board come with these. I ought to just rip them out. But if not, do it like this. I'm gonna take this one off. I have a little more room. Yeah, this new one gonna come with his own plugs. Now the AC works on this board, so I like to write. I put this board back in the box and write what's wrong with it. Like no heat, but the AC works. So in the summertime, if I get a call after hours, I can't get the board, I have my truck, have it on my truck, just so maybe they can have some air until I can come back. I hate putting these things in the wrong hole. Might go right here. There we go. All right, so like I say, I'll take that harness off, put it in that one. This is an OEM board, so everything should work perfect. All right, so all the whites, my neutrals. H line. That's the door switch. Okay, this yellow says park, so it's a little different on here. My cool down here on this one. So it's not like for like, but it's close. So still gotta kind of be aware of what you're plugging in. All right, so the yellow and the red is park. This is door switch. All right, and this right here is E15, line H. All right, so the rest of them is the thermostat wires. Go ahead and hook the condenser up first, which is Y and common. I'll hook these up last. So blue is the common. Of course, G for fan, Y for heat. And we got yellow. Hey, what's up, Bart? Hello? What's up, Bart? It must ain't try to call. All right, so I got blue as my common. G for fan. All right. Just gonna go ahead and tighten the single ones up. Got a 24-volt red. Got the white W for heat. That's what we need in the day. All right, so I got this Y1 yellow. And I stick the red coming, 2 wires coming from the condenser contactor. All right, so I got a blue and a common. Right, turn it on, see what we got. Do a little once over on it, make sure everything tugged. Tape ain't sticking no more. There we go. All right, let's see if we can get some heat. All the dip switches was up. Dip switch is the same. Just for a gas furnace, should be good. I forgot what those dip switches mean. I think there's some type of time delay. Yeah, these dip switches for delays. I think all mine is on. So, no delay on the first one. And 100 seconds on the heat. Alright, so that's the inducer fan. Oh, I gotta plug this back up also. Alright, there go my igniter. Sound like I just heard the gas valve. Yep, that's the gas valve opening up. So now I got 24 volts going to these wires right here. That's why my gas valve opened up. All right, so I got it's getting late in the evening now. 4:35. I got 2 more heat calls I gotta go run and do for the night over with. Like I say, we pretty much just got our first cold front end. It's kind of, and it's raining also, but go to fan. But then we're supposed to get back to like 60 degrees tomorrow, so they'll have the AC on tomorrow. All right, please hit that like, subscribe button. If you found this video informative, please share it with somebody. If they're thinking about getting the HVAC, it's a great career. Hopefully they'll have plenty of opportunities if they just apply themselves. Like I said, it takes a lot of effort and hard work, but anybody can do it. All right.